€35,000. That is the price for this detached villa, located just 5 kilometers from the white city of Ostuni in the heart of Puglia. And yes, before you ask this is real, you can find this exact listing right now on Idealista. It's a raw, authentic opportunity waiting for the right vision. As a professional German craftsman with over 20 years of hands-on experience, I don't just see old walls, I see structure and soul. I've used advanced AI tools to visualize exactly how we can transform this 1980s ruin into a Mediterranean dream. We're looking at 70 square meters of living space, surrounded by 2,000 square meters of land, filled with olive trees and a private citrus grove. The sense here? Incredible. The layout offers 2 bedrooms and a rooftop terrace with open views. There's even an independent guest suite, which could become a high-yield Airbnb or a private studio. Now, full transparency. It needs work. And there are some urban planning discrepancies to navigate, but for those looking for a true renovation project, the potential is massive. Let's dive into the AI-powered transformation and see what's possible when traditional craftsmanship meets the future of design. Let's start with the fireplace room, which also serves as the main entrance. Yes, you heard that right. This room features a real fireplace. Do you want to see it for yourself? Just check the description below for the direct house listing. Or, if you are watching on TV, grab your smartphone and scan the QR code on the screen. It will take you directly to the listing on Idealista. Moving deeper into this cozy space, since all the properties on this channel are located in Italy, our goal is always to preserve or bring back that unmistakable Italian charm. What do you think about this ceiling? It is actually not that hard to rebuild. Really? For the substructure, you mainly need UD profiles to define the shape. Then, you take your drywall sheets, cut them to size, and simply screw them on. After that, it is all about the finishing. When you start plastering, make sure to use joint tape. This is crucial, so you do not get any ugly cracks later on. Now, look at this room. You can see the paint is already peeling off at the base of the wall. We first need to identify the cause. Is it a leak from the old plumbing, or is it rising damp? If it is rising damp, we will need to install a drainage system around the house to prevent this from happening ever again. And if it is just a leak, well, you can see it for yourself. The pipes are ancient. We were going to replace them anyway. So, problem solved. And now, look at the result. See how a rundown, forgotten room can be transformed into a cozy retreat, a perfect space to focus on your hobbies. But tell me, what would you do with this space? Share your ideas in the comments below. You can write in any language, and who knows, I might just bring your vision to life in one of my upcoming videos. Now, let's take a look at where this house is actually located. To reach Bari Airport, you will need about 1 hour. But to get to Brindisi, it is only 30 minutes. In my opinion, that is absolutely fantastic. And if you want to enjoy these stunning Mediterranean beaches, it is just a 10-minute drive. I love it. When you first see this room, you might think it is just a tiny storage closet. And do you see that peeling paint down there in the bottom right corner? There is a roof terrace right behind this wall, and it is very possible that standing rainwater is causing this issue. But we will take a closer look at that in just a moment. So, here we are, right on the roof terrace. The most important step here is to waterproof everything completely and pour a proper slope so the rainwater doesn't pool anymore, but drains away perfectly. On the remaining space, we are going to create a master bedroom with a stunning view over your own fruit and olive trees. Just imagine waking up to a view like this every single morning. It is an absolute dream. Looking at this space, your first thought might be, okay, this is going to be a garage. But no. One of my viewers reached out in the comments and said she would love to see a dedicated TE room, a cozy sanctuary to spend time with friends and family on rainy days, while still enjoying the view of the garden outside. Was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should have known. Be with that and right till we hit a red light. Did I see the signs? Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it never was. No, you can't decide. I really hope this is exactly what she had in mind. Now, what is the one thing that simply cannot be missing when you have a plot of 2,000 square meters? Exactly, a pool. Because let's be honest, you don't always want to spend those hot summer days at the beach. Sometimes, you just want to relax in your own backyard with a cocktail in your hand. But since we have so much space here, a padel court wouldn't be a bad idea either, would it? B, but what about you? What would you build on a plot of this size? Let me know in the comments. Now, we come to the heart of every Italian home, the kitchen. Nothing brings a family together like good food, but for that to happen, this room needs to be completely restored first, because, as you can see, this space has definitely seen better days. Double shot for the gifted, one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Now that the kitchen is finished, and since we have such a beautiful, large garden, what would be the perfect addition to all of this? Exactly, a herb garden. There is nothing better than creating world-class meals using fresh ingredients right from your own backyard. Oh man, I think you can really tell that I love good food. Make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This room is located right next to the fireplace lounge. and I thought it would be the perfect fit for a guest bedroom. Our goal here is to use bright materials and soft textures to create a beautiful and truly cozy space for your loved ones.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down.
To be honest, I'd rather just brick up the door than step inside this room. This isn't a bathroom. It is just terrible. So, we need a serious overhaul here. We are starting from scratch. And, most importantly, we need to bite it. It is a total disgrace to have an Italian home without one. So, let's let the crew do their job and work their magic on this space. Guys, if you like this property, make sure to check out the Idealista link in the description, or simply scan that QR code on your screen right now. But if you enjoyed this video, I would be incredibly grateful if you would follow my channel and leave a like. Also, please let me know in the comments what you liked most or what you would have done differently. I truly love reading your ideas. And if you see that famous hype button right next to the like button, go ahead and give it a click. It really helps to push this channel and support my work. We will see each other again in the next few days with the next property reveal. So, ciao!